Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's been a debate for ages, Mac versus Windows. In this video we'll be comparing two powerhouses, the 15-inch MacBook Air and the Dell XPS 15. I'm excited to break down the differences and find out which one might be the better fit for you in 2023. Let's jump right in. First things first, the unboxing experience. The Dell XPS 15 truly impresses with its presentation, but surprisingly, both laptops exhibit remarkable build quality. While MacBooks are known for their structural integrity, the XPS 15 with its aluminum and carbon fiber construction holds its ground quite well. Now let's talk about ports. The Dell offers a variety, including USB-C, HDMI, and an SD card slot, catering to diverse connectivity needs. On the other hand, the MacBook embraces minimalism with its MagSafe charger, offering a secure attachment. However, it sacrifices ports in favor of a cleaner look. When it comes to the display, the MacBook's glossy screen delivers sharper visuals, thanks to its Retina display. Meanwhile, the Dell's bezel-less design offers a modern appeal. The MacBook also outshines its superior 1080p webcam and exceptional audio quality, making video calls a breeze. Both laptops feature excellent keyboards, but they differ in feel. The MacBook's keys are sharp and clicky, offering a satisfying typing experience. However, prolonged use might cause more strain compared to the Dell's softer keys. In terms of trackpads, the MacBook's fluid interaction steals the show. Let's turn up the volume. The MacBook boasts impressive speaker quality with its 6-speaker setup, while the Dell, with its quad-speaker system, delivers decent sound. On paper, the Dell seems to have the upper hand in performance with its higher specs. But here's where it gets interesting. The MacBook's custom Apple chip optimizes software performance significantly. It shines when using Apple's own apps like Final Cut and Safari. This hardware-software integration gives the MacBook an edge in efficiency, despite lower specs, delivering smoother performance in real-world tasks. Speaking of efficiency, the MacBook's M2 chip ensures consistent performance even when unplugged, unlike Windows laptops. And here's the kicker: battery life. The MacBook lasts significantly longer, offering up to 10 to 12 hours compared to around 5 to 7 hours on the Dell. So, both laptops have their strengths. The Dell XPS 15 impresses with its specs and port variety, making it a solid choice for diverse tasks. However, the MacBook's seamless software optimization, superior display, webcam, audio, and exceptional battery life make it a powerhouse for specific user needs. Ultimately, the choice between Mac and Windows boils down to your preferences and intended use. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.